Did you know that one of the most terrifying scenes in literature has no actual monster in it? This British schoolboy just realized something that will haunt you forever. He stumbles through the dark jungle, his mind shattered by what he's witnessed. The other boys painted their faces like savages. They killed without mercy. And now he understands the horrible truth. There never was a beast on this island. The real monster was inside them all along. He runs to warn the others, clutching the broken conch shell that once meant order and democracy. But they won't listen. Fear has already won. The signal fire that was supposed to save them now burns out of control, just like their humanity. The youngest boys see what the older ones refuse to accept. Civilization isn't natural. It's just a thin mask covering our primitive brutality. Remove the rules, add some fear, and even innocent children become killers. This scene from 1954 still gives readers nightmares today. Can you guess which famous novel shows us that the scariest monsters are the ones we create ourselves?